video. Fair few things been going on, but I'm out again, and this time I'm in Yorkshire. It's a place I've always loved since I first camped here, and I've been coming here for years. Never done a video, but this will be a first. I'm aiming to meet up with someone. We've been planning this for quite some time, and it hasn't always worked out. The weather on the way here has been awful, but it is now cleared up a little bit. It's still cloudy. There's the odd drop of wet rain, but I've got fingers crossed that we'll be all right. But we've got tarps and things, so we should be fine. It's just whether the actual place we're going to is awash. But as I'm not entirely sure where we're going to, we'll have to wait and see.
Smell the old arm hairs.
Yeah. It's not a good camp if you don't see the hairs on your hands.
I think pulling the steel away gets the more accuracy. As you say, the bigger steel are brilliant, you can just target it. How do you like it? Medium strong or?
Medium's cool. So you may have noticed in the background when I was doing things earlier that I'm out with Richard. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. We've been chatting for ages about this, and we have met on a couple of other occasions, but never managed to get out like this, and we're here.
It's just brilliant. Finally met up, and well, what an evening we're in for. But I'll let Ed just fill you in with the delights.
Yeah, well, we've got a lot of non-alcoholic beer, and a huge amount of cheese, I think.
Yeah, we've double dropped, haven't we?
Yeah,
on just about everything.
Yeah, so we're not going to go hungry, and we were on a little island as well. We had to wade across didn't film that just in case. Although I think you might have filmed it.
Oh yeah, I filmed it just
yeah.
in case you fell.
Yeah. Great. Yeah. So I'm out in Yorkshire, my spiritual home, and yeah, it's going to be a great night.
And I'm not this short.
I'm not this tall.
Good, good. Cheers.
The big reveal. Ed's baked a camembert. Oh, I've baked cheddar. Look at that.
Welded this together. Oh, there we go.
That is perfect.
That'll burn well as well.
So, half of this each, do you think?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Right. Break the seal. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a look at that. Wow.
If you want to try. Nice. Got a lovely taste to it.
Isn't it?
Is it got like a balsamic vinegar or something in it?
I
Something
don't know,
like that.
but it's really... It's not just like... just cheese, is it? It's got something much creamier.
It's like sweet in it as well. So Richard has put on the next course. It's like a lamb kofta type thing. I'm still stuffed from the cheese.
Am I?
They do hold the heat, don't they?
Yeah. But you've done them just right. They're not even vaguely overdone. Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Is that me ruining your shot by saying, are you filming now?
Yeah, probably.
Oh no, I'm not filming, I should be. It's difficult doing a collaboration video when you're both making a video, because I just said, are you filming now? And he went, yeah. And so ruined his shot.
Are you filming?
I am filming. That is so good.
And cheese and meat sweats.
Yep. But at least you got a bit of salad, sort of.
Colour. Yeah, it's awesome. Just a nice little tickle of heat with it.
Yeah, it's that harissa paste, I think, that just gives it a nice. Yeah, we'll call that a triumph.
Number 2.
That comes later.
Oh yeah.
2 triumphs though. It's actually not cold, is it?
No, it has moments like it dropped a few degrees. You
Yeah,
could see the breath
yeah.
on the air, then it went away again. So
Yeah. Time to enjoy this, and we'll speak to you a little later.
Don't know which one to look at. Which one to look at? We've eaten well, we've drunk well, all non-alcoholic, and
And I did the washing up.
you did. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Had to get that bit in.
Yeah. And you did most of the cooking as well.
Cheers.
But yeah, it's been a great night. We've put the world to rights somewhat, and yeah, I think we'll be hitting the hay soon. We've even had a hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
If I can get out of the chair, I shall go, but I may actually sleep here.
Yeah. It has been raining a bit as well recently, but the tarp's been doing very well. Hopefully we'll come back in the morning. Depends on the weather, because if it's absolutely throwing it down, we might just pack up and go. So sort of do a sign off now. All links to Richard's. Did I call you Simon a minute ago? Did I do that?
No, but we've been talking about him.
Yes. He doesn't watch me, so he won't know any difference. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll put all the links to Richard's channel, Instagram, and everything down below. Check him out. He's doing way better than I am.
Don't know how.
But yeah, thanks for watching, and if I don't see you in the morning, we'll see you soon.
Synchro thumbs. Did you see
Brilliant,
that?
yeah.
Try it again, and again. Whoa!
Never happen again. Right.
There we go.
Cheers.
Oh, missed it.
It's all good with me. Is that enough beans for you?
Yeah.
That would be the verdict on your homemade sausages.
Oh, yeah. Verdict.
They're lovely.
They're very meaty, aren't they?
Mm. And they're not dry like some sausages can be. Well, I'm not going to film us eating everything here, but it's all great. This will probably be it now, because we're due quite a heavy downpour shortly, and we haven't even packed up anything. So we'll be doing that in the rain. So I won't be filming that because I'm not losing another camera to water. But thanks for joining us. Links for Richard's stuff down below, as I said before, and see you on the next one. Cheers.